Look what the hot body can do.
It's Friday because I totally forgot I have something to do today. So I got invited to a restaurant that's opening in Kingston. It says Kingston's newest restaurant. And yeah, I'm so excited. I think, you know what? I should have looked up the information again before I came on camera. But I'm just going to put the name of the restaurant. And I think, don't quote me, it's Chris Gale. He's, I think it's his restaurant. I think on Wednesday or Thursday, he launched his rum line. I got invited to that too, but I didn't get to go because it started at 5:30 and the girl had work and traffic, and I was like, yeah, it's not gonna work out. But tonight he has another launch. Like I said, I don't know if it's him, but based on the text and message that I received, I think it's him. If it's not Chris Gale's restaurant, I will put something else on to let you guys know I'm wrong. But yeah, but it's 7:30 and it starts at, I actually did my makeup. It starts at 8 p.m. So I want to just hurry up and do my hair and just put on my dress. That's all, because I did my makeup already. Everything is looking good. Yes, I'm so excited, super excited to go and see what this restaurant is about, the vibe and all of that. And of course, I'm going to take you guys there with me. So let's just hurry up and do our hair. And once I'm done, I'm going to show you guys the face.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The top that I've been looking for, I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little close.
Alright guys, here we are in this lovely sheen dress. I had this for probably 3 years, going on 4 years, and I'm probably only worried. Oh wow, this is the second time I've worn this dress. But yeah, it's quite cute for dinner. I actually wanted to wear something else, but my outfits are not working out, and it's basically 8 o'clock, and I feel like this dress is not giving me my shape. I kind of look straight. I don't know why, even though I've lost a lot of weight. The weight is coming back, so I guess I need to work. Eventually, we're gonna go to the gym before the year ends because these hips need to come out. I'm sorry. Me losing my weight, the breast area is gone, the little hips that I have. I never had butt, but I did have a little hip, but whatever. The makeup is done and I look really cute. I like it. Yeah, and I'm wearing this real bad, and I'm gonna wear my black heels. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna put on based on the occasion. Anyways, I'm gonna head out and I'll see you guys at the newest restaurant. Yeah, basically that's it. So guys, I'm looking back at the text thread and it's not Chris Gale's restaurant. However, Chris Gale did have a rum opening line. He launched his own rum line this week. So what I got mixed up is that this new restaurant is located where Chris Gale's restaurant used to be in New Kingston area. So that's where the mix-up is. So Chris Gale is not opening a new restaurant. He only has a rum line. But anyways, I am on my way there. So I'll see you guys there.
I keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. And you took my love. You took my love. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need. Didn't I tell you what I believe? Did somebody say that a love like that won't last? Didn't I give you all that I got to give, baby? Gave you love. I gave you
So I should have probably waited until I got home, but let's just talk about it now. So there's 4 owners within the company. So it's called Koko Mai Lounge. So it's basically a lounge. It's so pretty inside. I know I did a few videos of how it looks inside. So I think they mentioned probably starting by 10 p.m. in the night, like the music gets louder and turn it into like a lounge vibe. But it's so cute in there, very nice. The food was so good. I had the salmon. I had appetizer, I had calamari, I had some crab thingy. The food was very good. The drinks too. The drinks were also good. So it was really a fun time tonight, and I'll definitely like go back. I'll definitely go back there. Anyways, we are on our way. Oh, sorry, I didn't tell you guys the owners of the place. So the owners of the restaurant are, this is for people who live locally in Jamaica. So you have Ramesh, you have Nino, you have Zimmy, and then the chef steward guy, I think. But it was really incredible. A very nice vibe on the inside. When we were having dinner though, the music was really, really loud, like loud. You have to like be elevating your voice to speak. But apart from that, it was good. If you're looking for like a lounge type of vibe, you can definitely check them out. But anyways, I am on my way home. I'm thinking this vlog is a little bit short, but I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I'm driving, I'm gonna head home. I need to focus on the road, and I will see you guys in another video at another time. Yeah, bye guys. These people driving so crazy at this hour. Oh my god.
I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. You took my love. You took my love. Call me when you need some. Call me when you